to get rid of roaches in your apartment. Here are some steps you can take to get rid of roaches in your apartment. Number 1. Find and seal all entry points. Roaches can enter your apartment through small cracks and crevices. So it's important to inspect your apartment and seal any potential entry points. This can include sealing gaps around pipes, windows and doors, and filling in cracks in walls and floors. Number 2. Keep your apartment clean. Roaches are attracted to food and clutter, so it's important to keep your kitchen clean and free of crumbs and store food in sealed containers. Keep clutter to a minimum and regular vacuum and sweep to remove any potential food sources. Number 3. Use roach traps and bait stations. Roach traps and bait stations can help you control the roach population in your apartment. These products contain a bait that is attractive to roaches, which they take back to their nest and share with other roaches. Number 4. Use a professional pest control service. If you are unable to get rid of roaches on your own, or if you have a severe infestation, you may want to consider hiring a professional pest control service. Number 5. Prevent future infestation. Once you have get rid of roaches, it's important to take steps to prevent future infestation. This can include continuing to keep your apartment clean and free of clutter, sealing any potential entry points, and using roach traps and bait stations on a regular basis.